alone. Feeling nervous here, ladies and gentlemen, I stand here before you to American Brick International Schools. It has been a wild journey for all of us students, teachers, and a wild journey for me especially. However, it is not the journey that I or we should be looking forward to see of you. We should look forward toward the outcoming of the destination of our journey. American Brick International Schools has displayed many interesting ideas, creativities, and many more. Some of us find it is very unique, weird, unnecessary, but very enjoyable. Today, we are here to share our experience that we study here, not just only to share, but to inspire, to motivate, to others to grab the same outcome with us at American Brick International Schools. Before moving any further, I would like to pay my high respect to His Excellency Siliang, Director Generals and Presidents of American Bricks, academic managers, school principal, English coordinators, teachers, parents. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gong Panibut.
My name is William.
We are from American Brick International School, Campus 3, Po Chun Thong. What an honor it is to be here today. What a great time to be alive. And what a blessing today that I be able to blessing toward and convey this message to you all. American Brick International Schools is like a second home for many of us students. No matter where we are, we as students, we spend majority of our time at school. So, however, some of us always question ourselves why. Instead of querying on the word why, we should tell ourselves how. How can I be a leader to everyone one day? How can I be a blessing toward my parents? And how can studying improve my skills? These are all the questions that we should be asking ourselves. Do you know what does this question represent? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this question represents 4 basic principles, educational challenges. First, the journey toward education. Second, the journey of physical growth and companionship. Third, the journey of overcoming obstacles. Last but not least, fourth, the offer and gift for teachers and mentors toward ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, without any delay, let's talk about the first main point is the journey toward education. School is like a second home to all of us students. We are basically children, not by blood, but by responsibilities. Teacher is like a second parent to all of us students. American Brick International Schools has displayed a very interesting many subjects that we can learn, such as science, mathematics, and many more. This is all the things that American Brick International School provide us. Moreover, it's also taught us into a critical thinking as well as the history. This can improve our critical thinking as well. This is what I see about this school.
Second, the journey of physical growth and companionship. Having a good educational is very excellent and accelerating. However, without a good social environment, it cannot and will not stimulate the expectancy of a student timely manner. I can say with experience that we all have our own personal background, cultures, and perspectivity of life. However, having a unique way of seeing others and the world is one of the reasons that make us humans. However, we share experience with other people, and changing and observing newer and better perspective will help us to find the value, the time and life lesson of the journey. Having companionship will shape itself into a long, life-lasting adventures. How? We share experience with others, from a micro community to providing supportiveness and reconciliations. Maybe help us to find the love of our life as well. Third, the journey of overcoming obstacles. As students, we all have obstacles. No matter where we are, no matter where you come from, and no matter who you are, we all have obstacles. Overcoming those obstacles is a different story, from having a great educational environment to exploring a personal and non-personal social environment to engaging in obstacles. This is where students find it challenging. I remember during my debate competition sections that was a frustrating exercise I have ever experienced before. From a lack of sleep, lack of self-confidence, lack of self-esteem, to the lack of experience. So letting the candidate for being debate at the bottom of my list of things to do. That was an obstacle that stood in my way of my future too. At this moment, I had a choice to move forward or stay behind those barriers. But, however, I cannot tell you how many times I called it quit, but I deserve it. In the end of the result was victory. And here is our trophy. We have achieved it from a debate competition at American Bridge International School. And here is our medal too. I am very proud of myself, not for winning, but for overcoming my obstacle. Fourth, the offer and gift of teacher, mentors, lecturers towards students. School, ABI School is like a second home to us. We are the students, and our parents are our teachers too. We are the students, we need to acknowledge ourselves to satisfy the significant role of ourselves they play in our life. They are not just our second parent, they are even greater and better. They are our educator, supporter, and guider, and even greater and better, they are our role models. They push, encourage us, and motivate us to pursue our passion beyond the limit, borders, and boundaries. I know that teachers do not hear this a lot, but thank you so much, teachers, for all that you have done for us. We entrusted our lives to you. From day one, you have never let us down. I have one last message to all the teachers who are presented here today. I hope that this will be in your heart forever. The world may see you as a regular person, employees, staff, worker, job seeker. However, to us, students, you are our heroes. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? In conclusion, everybody wants a smile on the result day. So please make it happen. Work hard. Remember, risking is better than regretting. Don't feel failure, no challenge, no change. The future is all depend on what you all doing now today. Appreciate it, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, for your valuable time spending on my speech. American Bridge International School, the bridge for tomorrow leaders. Thank you.